Hello, everyone. Welcome to SpeakAlong English, easy English speaking podcast where speaking English is easy and fun. I'm Mia, and I'm so happy you're here today. Today's shadowing practice is about small habits to learn English. These are easy daily habits that help you improve your English speaking every day. Before we begin, let me quickly explain what shadowing practice is, because if you are new, this is important. Shadowing is simple. You listen to me say a sentence, then you repeat it immediately, just like a shadow follows a person. Listen first, then speak. This method is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking at home. It trains your mouth, your ears, and your brain at the same time. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to try. Every time you repeat, you are practicing. And that's how small habits to learn English work. Small practice, every day, big results over time. If you haven't watched the main podcast episode yet, I recommend you go back and watch that first. In that episode, Alex and I explain all the vocabulary and habits in detail. You'll find the link in the description below. But if you've already watched it, perfect. Now it's time to practice speaking. That's what shadowing is all about. You're going to listen to me say phrases and sentences, and then you're going to repeat them immediately. Just like a shadow. This is how you go from learning English to actually speaking English. Don't worry about being perfect. Just practice out loud, and you'll see improvement every day. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin our shadowing practice. Let's speak about what habits are. Repeat each sentence after me. A habit is something you do every day. A habit is something you do every day. Small habits help you learn English. Small habits help you learn English. Good habits make learning easy and fun. Good habits make learning easy and fun. You don't need to study for hours. You don't need to study for hours. 5 minutes every day is enough. 5 minutes every day is enough. Small steps lead to big results. Small steps lead to big results. Daily English practice can change your life. Daily English practice can change your life. You can start building habits today. You can start building habits today. Every small habit counts. Every small habit counts. Consistency is more important than perfection. Consistency is more important than perfection. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with yourself. You can do this. You can do this. Now let's speak about habit number 1. Speaking for 5 minutes in English first thing in the morning. Every morning I wake up at 7. Every morning I wake up at 7. I start my day with English. I start my day with English. I listen to an English podcast. I listen to an English podcast. I say 10 English words out loud. I say 10 English words out loud. My 5-minute morning routine is easy. My 5-minute morning routine is easy. I practice English before breakfast. I practice English before breakfast. Mornings are perfect for English practice. Mornings are perfect for English practice. I feel good after my morning habit. I feel good after my morning habit. 5 minutes every morning is my goal. 5 minutes every morning is my goal. This is my daily English habit. This is my daily English habit. I wake up and think in English. I wake up and think in English. My morning routine helps me improve. My morning routine helps me improve. Now let's speak about habit number 2, labeling your home in English. I put English words on my things. I put English words on my things. I write door on my door. I write door on my door. I write window on my window. I write window on my window. I write table on my table. I write table on my table. I see the words many times a day. I see the words many times a day. This is passive English learning. This is passive English learning. I learn vocabulary without extra study. I learn vocabulary without extra study. My kitchen has many English labels. My kitchen has many English labels. I write fridge on my fridge. I write fridge on my fridge. I write cup on my cup. I write cup on my cup. Labeling helps me learn new words fast. Labeling helps me learn new words fast. I see the word and I remember it. I see the word and I remember it. This is a great English vocabulary habit. This is a great English vocabulary habit. I learn English while I live my life. I learn English while I live my life. Habit number 3, narrating your day. Talk to yourself. I talk to myself in English. I talk to myself in English. I describe everything I do. I describe everything I do. I am making coffee. I am making coffee. The coffee smells good. The coffee smells good. I am going to work. I am going to work. Narrating my day is easy and helpful. Narrating my day is easy and helpful. I practice English speaking at home. I practice English speaking at home. I don't need a teacher to practice. I don't need a teacher to practice. I talk about my morning routine. I talk about my morning routine. Today I woke up at 7. Today I woke up at 7. I had a healthy breakfast. I had a healthy breakfast. I practice English every day this way. I practice English every day this way. Talking to myself builds my confidence. Talking to myself builds my confidence. I think in English, not in my language. I think in English, not in my language. This habit helps me speak fluently. This habit helps me speak fluently. Now let's speak about habit number 4, practicing with apps and AI. I use an English app every day. I use an English app every day. I practice for 5 minutes. I practice for 5 minutes. I talk to an AI in English. I talk to an AI in English. The AI never judges my mistakes. The AI never judges my mistakes. I feel comfortable speaking with AI. I feel comfortable speaking with AI. I learn new words from the app. I learn new words from the app. Apps are great for busy people. Apps are great for busy people. I practice on the bus. I practice on the bus. I practice in my lunch break. I practice in my lunch break. 5 minutes of practice every day helps. 5 minutes of practice every day helps. Technology makes English learning easy. Technology makes English learning easy. I use my phone to improve my English. I use my phone to improve my English. Now let's speak about habit number 5, the evening English journaling. Every evening I write in my journal. Every evening I write in my journal. I write 3 sentences in English. I write 3 sentences in English.
I write about my day.
I write about my day. I write, today was a good day. I write, today was a good day. I write, I woke up at 7. I write, I woke up at 7. I write, I had lunch at noon. I write, I had lunch at noon. I write, I learned 5 new words. I write, I learned 5 new words. My journal helps me remember new words. My journal helps me remember new words. I write simple and short sentences. I write simple and short sentences. Every week, I read my old entries. Every week, I read my old entries. I can see my progress. I can see my progress. My English is getting better every day. My English is getting better every day. Writing in English every day is my habit. Writing in English every day is my habit. My journal is my vocabulary notebook. My journal is my vocabulary notebook. I build my English vocabulary habits slowly. I build my English vocabulary habits slowly. That's it. You finished the practice. I am so proud of you. Today, you practiced sentences about small habits to learn English, the 5-minute morning routine, labeling your home, narrating your day, using apps, and the evening journal. These are real daily English habits that help you improve your English speaking, and you just practice them all out loud. That is amazing. Remember, repeat this practice every day. Consistency is everything. Every time you shadow, you are building your speaking confidence. You can do this. Now go back to your day and try one habit today. Talk to yourself in English. Write 3 sentences tonight. 5 minutes is all you need. Please subscribe to Speak Along English for more daily English practice, and don't forget to try the evening habit tonight. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Keep going. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.